if you have been around my channel, and more particularly this series for the last weeks. You might have picked up my frustration about the numerous flaws on this car. But I have now come to a point where I am starting to enjoy working on this car. I start to see progress and keep forgetting more and more the trouble I had to deal with so far. Putting on the first performance parts such as anti-roll bars, my Momo steering wheel, carbon fiber bits, but also just wiping almost ancient dust off some areas, makes this build starting to come to life. And yet, am I only just climbing the first few steps on a seemingly endless path towards the top of the mountain? A journey that will surely reveal more problems, but one that I am willing to cope to make that dream come true. Don't dream your life, live your dream. Don't dream your life. Live your dream.